SJ Lifestyle. Today I am here to bring you along in a little experiment that I'm going to try by combining 3 ingredients to achieve a tiny little bit of glow to my skin. Because as you can see, I have a little bit of raccoon eyes. I just took my makeup off and I've started to feel a little dull today. So let's go with it. We are going to be using 3 ingredients. Number 1, avocado. I don't like eating it, but we're gonna try it on the face. Number 2, what was it? Yes, turmeric, because I always have masks with turmeric because they are the best antioxidant, and also they help with the discoloration or pigmentation on my skin. So turmeric, and also fun fact, I heard, okay, I don't know if it's true or not, but they are supposed to help reduce hair on your face, which is why some men actually don't like putting turmeric on their face, I think. But you know what? We're gonna go with it because it's great and actually gives you that little glow too. So turmeric, a must. Number 3, we are going to be trying coffee. So I have heard that coffee helps to increase circulation, and also it's going to be great for the coarseness, probably gets rid of the dead skin cells. So I am excited. Keep on watching to see how this turns out, or if I suddenly have sensitive skin and yeah, maybe get rashes. So yeah, keep on watching. Side note, we are moving officially to the kitchen area, as these products can only be found in the kitchen if you went to the groceries. Alrighty, let's go. You begin by cutting up your avocado and leaving all your other ingredients alone, because those are more like toppings that you put in for the mask. So this is the main ingredient. And I just realized now that I have gotten a unripe avocado. So this is going to be a little bit of a task actually cutting it. For those of you who are still watching, I'm going to tell you I'm actually going to be adding another ingredient, which is going to be yogurt and water. Okay? Make sure to have that lid nice and tight. Ready? What does it look like for you guys? Okay, I expected the avocado to have a way more thicker consistency when I blended it. Maybe I might have added way more water than I should have. Okay, so with this consistency, it's not going to work as a mask. So what I'm actually going to do is add more yogurt, but without blending it. Now that I have the actual avocado, turmeric, and everything in like this. Okay, yogurt into the cup for that thick consistency, which is I think more than enough for my face. And then we take this little cocktail over here and pour that right over. Ew, it's kind of chunky. There's our dalgona coffee. Consistency is kind of liquidy, but we're gonna make do with it. Okay, I've got my handy dandy huge ass mirror over here, so don't mind me if I'm looking this way. Oh, wish me luck because it smells. I definitely made way more than I needed to. But you know what? If this comes out nice, I have my own mask all prepared for me in my fridge. Definitely feels really cooling. I like that. It's not as... Okay, I am dropping everywhere. I don't like this. I need to clean. Ew. I hate when masks don't just stay in your face and they start going everywhere else. And I hate targeting the nose. Even though that's where I want most of my product, I can never get to the corners. Anyone had that problem? Comment down below. Please don't go near my mouth. Ew. Okay, I can feel them dripping now. I don't know if it'll get any harder, but we're gonna try to avoid the dripness. Oh God, this is messy. I should have thought through this. This is really messy. People, do this when you're showering, if it turns out well. And don't talk. Surprising factor. I don't see any coffee grounds. I wonder if it's because I blended it like a smoothie. Yeah, definitely. If you're gonna try this at home, a few things that keep in mind. Don't make it too liquidy. And also, maybe apply or add the coffee in last. Because we got no coffee to scrub our face or dead skin cells out. But then again, we learn, because this is obviously an experiment, and as you can see, my shirt is a mess. I don't know if you can see it. Oh well. I'm going to try to apply as much as I can, and I will recommend that you leave it on for 20 minutes before washing it off, as per usual of any kind of mask. Yeah, don't talk. It definitely goes in the mouth. Mask is on. I will come back to you in 20 minutes to show you guys the results. Hi everyone, so I just got back after washing my face, hydrated my skin a little. So the review for this DIY natural skincare remedy for glowy skin is definitely a positive for me. Yes, I made some flaws in this video because one, I added too much liquid, I added the yogurt in the blender. Those things shouldn't have happened, so learn from me and do those things after you've blended the avocado and turmeric together. Add like this much water, not this much. Yeah, so don't do that. But other than that, I'm feeling great. Definitely feel that tiny little bit of glow that I did want. And you know what? It's the glow from within that counts. So I'm feeling it, and I hope you do too. So give it a try. Comment down below if you did, or if you tried a different method for this and it worked better. Comment down below. I am wanting to hear this, because it was an experiment. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you like this video, and I'll be uploading every Friday. See you in the next one.